Hey guys, today I will tell you how to backup your Android by using the clockwork mode zip. So first power off your Galaxy Y. Okay. Now go into recovery mode by pressing the volume up button, power button and home button by pressing together. It is switching off. The Galaxy Y is switched off. Now go into recovery mode by the pressing volume up button, home button and power button. This is recovery mode. Then apply update from SD card. Choose the clockwork mode. Here CWM mode. Then touch screen will be functionless. You can scroll up and down by the volume up and volume down button. So choose the clockwork mode by pressing the home button. So this is the clockwork mode. So touch screen also be functionless. Then choose the to back up the Android. First go into third last option, backup and restore. See here, backup and restore. Go into backup and restore. Then see here, the three options are there: backup, restore and advanced restore. Choose the backup one. Backup. It is backing up the boot image, backing up system. It is getting backup of. When we have done with the backup, if we are in a custom ROM, we can choose the restore option to backup into a stock ROM, and we can get all the apps and the passwords or Wi-Fi, something like that. We can get all of them in just one click, not using the Odin. We can restore it by the clockwork mode. It will take time about 5 to 10 minutes. Thank you. First, thanks to admin Samir Ali of the Galaxy4Gaming.in. The backup has complete. Here, backup complete. Now we can reboot. If we have to restore the Android, then click the backup and restore. Choose the second option, restore. Click on the restore. Choose the first option only. First option. Okay, then yes to click on the restore. Okay. Just creating MD5 sums. It will take time about 5 to 10 minutes. It will take time, guys. See guys, here restore has completed. Now we can reboot by the first option. See here, reboot system now. Guys, we have done with the backup and the restore of the Android. The first boot will take time about 5 to 10 minutes. Here we can get only that wallpaper only, and all the apps I have installed, they are on the back. Also see here, I have got the link to SD and easy backup. I have installed first only. Thank you guys for watching the video. All thanks to admin Samir Ali of Galaxy4Gaming.in. This is Kaushal. Thank you guys. Bye.